This is it, moving. Everywhere is busy, right? So if you stay here, you can see the car people that is going. You can see it's really busy now. If you are viewing from up, this side now is people going to Onitsha Road. On top of here, you will get the Holy Ghost College. This is the Holy Ghost College Secondary School. You see? You see? On top here now, you will get the whole views. You will get the whole views on top here. So this is the up of the flyover. This is Onitsha Road. Here now is going to Onitsha Road. So this here now is going to coming inside Owerri. When you are coming inside Owerri, and you can see here is the Cathedral Church. Here is the Cathedral Church. You can see it. Here is the Cathedral Church, and this side now is people coming from Port Harcourt Road. If you are coming from Port Harcourt Road, you can see them. When you are coming from Port Harcourt Road, this is the place you follow when you are coming from Port Harcourt Road. So if you are going to Onitsha Road, this is people going to Onitsha Road. This is the main flyover. This is the main flyover, and you can see the up here. Everywhere is so beautiful and nice. So today I just came to make this video and show you guys how everything is working here. Busy. The flyover is now officially open. As you can see, this is the roundabout. You can see. So this is now the new flyover, guys. This is my third time to return here. So I'm in Owerri flyover now, guys. I'll be dropping the video to show you how everything now look like, the movement and how cars are being moved here. I'll show you how cars are being moved here, the movement and everything. This is on top of the flyover. To show you guys the beauty of this place. It's really amazing, you know, returning this place and seeing the beauty and how the cars are being moved. This is NMPC. This is people going to Port Harcourt Road. This is people going to Port Harcourt Road. This is World Bank Road. If you are going to World Bank, and this is the roundabout that everybody used to hear about. The transport now is moving, cars are moving. You know, the down is the most, you know, movement place, not the up. The up is just to control the distance, the traffic, but it's the down that owns everything. You can see. So this is the Assunta Cathedral, guys. So I came up here to make this video. This is the down under the flyover. You can see it, how everywhere is neat. How everywhere is neat, guys. I really appreciate you guys for watching. Please make sure you do like and subscribe to my channel, guys. So guys, this is the under of the flyover, the movements. You can see how cars are moving from Onitsha Road. You can see these are the cars coming from Onitsha Road. Yes, and these are the people going to World Bank. This is World Bank houses. You can see how everywhere is neat. I can zoom it. You can see how everywhere is neat. And these are the people coming from Onitsha Road. And these are the people going to Port Harcourt Road. Port Harcourt Road side. So guys, I will also show you guys the movement of the under. So officially the flyover is open now, and the movements are really okay. So everywhere is really busy and everything is going flyover. These are the people going to what they call it, Onitsha Road. These people coming from Owerri going to Onitsha Road. So guys, I really appreciate you guys. You can see, I can zoom it. People that are coming from Onitsha Road coming to Owerri, and the flyover is okay and ready. You can see this side now lead to Onitsha Road. This place leads to Onitsha Road, and you can see these are the movements of the flyover, under the flyover. You can see these are the movements. Everything is okay and perfect here. I can say everything is okay and perfect here. So Imo State flyover is one of the best flyover in Southeast. It's one of the best flyover, I can tell you, in southeastern part of Nigeria. They are really respecting themselves, moving to Port Harcourt Road, moving to World Bank,